Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to decline a payment request in PayPal. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your PayPal account, and once you open your PayPal account you will end up in this kind of interface, so make sure to get logged in. Now simply tap on the show all option and the transactions you have made will appear here. So you can only request to decline the payments that are still pending to be made. If you have any transaction pending, it will appear in this page. So simply tap on the cancel option, which you can find below the pending transaction. So once you tap on the cancel option, you can simply decline a payment request on your PayPal account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.